Hello there, this is Samuel from LS Financial, and today is the 18th of May 2017, and my current time here is 12:14 a.m. on the GMT. As I promised last week, I promised I was going to do a quick review on the Great British Pound Australian currency pair we have been looking at for the past 2 weeks now. This currency pair really has been a stubborn one. It's just refusing to do what it's supposed to do, and basically it's just telling us, it's just testing our level of patience and our trust in whatever strategy we have been using or trading, right? So I see these moments as tests and trials to really understand our concepts, and then ultimately understand really how the market works. Okay, now this one, as I indicated last week, if you haven't watched that video, I really want you to watch that video and then understand my thought process with that. Now as of last week, what I was waiting for was a trend line break, and we had a very nice trend line break, but I indicated that I wasn't liking how the candles on the south side of the trend lines were looking, right? And currently we can see that the market quite recently has been doing higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and we are currently at a past resistance to become future support, right? We are at a resistance, and the market has formed a bullish candlestick formation at past resistance. This is really a bullish signal the market is telling us. It's a bullish. We have to a degree an evening star with at past resistance to become future support, right? And I'm not liking this really on the south side. I don't want to buy at a high price, because if you are buying at a high price, you are risking so much, right? So what I would do really is to wait, and that is all I'll do on this currency pair. I would wait for this market to take out this low, as I indicated last week, and then so I'll wait for the market to take out this low, and then give me a retracement like so, and then this is where I'll be selling, and I'll be selling to my target I've been indicating for a while now, which is around the 67.40 level, right? 67.40 level is my target. I'm looking to take this market down, so I'm not touching this currency pair until the market takes out this low, and then gives me a pullback, and then I would sell this currency pair to the target. Now that is it on the Great British Pound Australian dollar currency pair. I'll be doing another one on Euro Yen, because I find a very interesting setup being formed there, and I want to use this opportunity as a lesson, to actually help others who are struggling, and basically to help out. Now, so I'm going to clean this chart, because this was analysis I was doing with my students. So my thought process with this currency pair right now is this. Now, if you squeeze up this chart and you look at how this currency pair has been moving, realize that it has been moving in a downtrend. So we have basically been in a downtrend until quite recently we broke this somewhat long-term trend line. So probably the market is indicating that we are going to reverse this trend. We don't know, but What we know is that when the market breaks a trend line, it's going to test the backside of the trend line um, before we go long or we continue to go short, right? So as it is now, we have broken this trend line, and then it's typical for the market to retrace back to the backside of the trend line. So ultimately we are bearish. Now the other reason why I'm loving this currency pair right now is this setup we have here. We have to a degree a very beautiful channel here, and you see that in a bit, right? So this channel is very beautiful. What we have seen within this channel is that whenever the market touches the bottom of the channel, it bounces back and moves up, right? So the bottom of the channel was acting as support, and the top of the channel was acting as resistance, right? So that is all the market has been doing, and it's been going on for a while now, really. And what we find recently is that we find the markets at the south side of the channel, and the market is currently finding resistance. Now when we zoom in to what the market has done, because we know the market moves in patterns, and it keeps repeating these patterns each and every day, so at the top of the channel, you realize that we formed a very nice bullish engulfing candle, and then what the market did was it didn't immediately move to the south side of the channel. What it did was the market tried to test this bearish candlestick formation. It tested it, and the test failed. So as it failed, the market then indeed went down, or went bearish. Now again, we are back at the south side of the channel, and we have formed a very nice evening star. Now there are two things the market would probably be doing. Now there is a chance this market is going to be tested. This evening star is going to be tested, and so what I plan with this one is that I'm going to put a pending order around this level. This is just an arbitrary level I'm pointing out, but this is just to give you an indication of how I'm looking at this. So I'm going to put the level around here, around 12500 level, and then my stop above the evening star, and I'm going to target the next really 300 to 400 pips to the south side, because I see a potential of the market falling to about 400 pips. So I'm going to capture about 300 to 400 pips on this one. So that is scenario 1 on this one. Scenario 2 is this. Just in case the market pushes down without really testing this evening star we have here, then we might see the market just push down, and what we can see on from here is that there is level of support here that this market should take off. Should break before we have a clear indication that this market is going to fall. So what I would do from here is that if I don't get the chance, if I don't get my order triggered at the test of the evening star, I would wait for this low to be taken out, and then as usual I would wait for this low to be taken out, and I would wait for a retracement, a higher up retracement, and then this is where I'm going to sell the market. And this kind of setup gives me so much confidence in it, because the market would really not take support levels if it's not meant to fall bearish. So this is my plan on a quick one. We are looking at a very nice channel here, and we are currently at resistance of the channel, and we are looking for a pullback trade for the next 300 to 400 pips to the downside. So that is it on the weekly analysis. I hope you enjoyed the lessons, and please do subscribe if you find these lessons very helpful. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos, like, give us a thumbs up or anything very nice. Thank you so much, and do have a great week. Bye bye.